Mr. Kevin, Ready?
Speeding 34. See on minutes.
Action.
Today you have done something. You are lucky. You have done something. Every time this is not good. This is my six. Yours. Are you serious? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my six will come. Where did this come? My God. What I thought this one is done to you? Hey! Drop pusher! That guy is too much. I'm not taking you here.